Welcome to a session on number system, being the first one. Let us briefly review the numbers, the definitions of the numbers. The first one being, I noted down on the screen, the first one being the natural number, that is completely denoted as n with, like, starts from 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. The whole numbers are of combination of natural numbers and is denoted as W. Sorry, I've missed writing. Starts with 0 and includes all the rest of the natural numbers. Now comes the integers, which includes the positive as well as the negative numbers, so and is denoted by Z. If we note down the numbers, we would take up, all the negatives might just be here, then we take -3, -2 is a kind of a number line. You can imagine a number line, and would get all the numbers for under integers, and this continues. And then comes the rational numbers, which we will be kind of taking or understanding it in a better way. That's natural numbers, and also we'll take up later on irrational numbers. Rational numbers been denoted by Q and would include all the numbers like negative, positive, but it has to be a number which can be represented in the term P by Q form. And this Q, P and Q can be integers, and Q cannot be equal to 0. So combination of the collection of all such numbers is known as collection of rational numbers and is denoted, as I have denoted it, as Q. Alright. Now we learn how to find rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. That means one more thing which I would like you to tell you is kind of any natural number, like if I'm taking up 5, 4 or 6, this can, though is only written as 5 and 4, can also be left as can be expressed as 5 by 1, 4 by 1, 6 by 1, and therefore these natural numbers are also a part of rational numbers. Now, how we find rational numbers between two given numbers? That's the first one we'll be taking up. So under that, let me just choose a question like it says, find how many rational numbers we find? 5 rational numbers between, suppose it is -2 and 6. So to find rational numbers between two numbers given, what we do, suppose the two numbers are assumed to be x and y, what we do is we use this formula all the time. After that means what, if I have -2 plus 6 by 2, the first number, so that is 4 by 2, is a 2. And now that means what, it in between I have got a 2, there is a 6 on the other side. Now I can take again this 2 to find the third rational number, so I can take it up as this by 2, so it is 0. Then I can take 2 plus 6, these two numbers, by 2, so it is 8 by 2, sorry, that's giving me 4, so number lies here. I've already got 3 of them. Now I can take this 2 and 4, and I keep on doing that to get as many rational numbers I wish to get in between any two given numbers. So it's 3. So I got another number, that's 3 would lie here, and I can take up like 0 and 2, so 0 and 2 by 2 would give me 1, so there is one more number. I've already got 5 rational numbers in between minus 2 and 6. To get one more, I might just add 4 and 6 by 2. So it's 10 by 2, so it's 5. Now this method, which I keep on doing to find as many rational numbers as I said, but at certain stage it might just be difficult to find, suppose 30 rational numbers given to be in between minus 2 and 6, or there are question which is in fraction. In that case, it becomes quite difficult to find using this method. Like, I'll take up one question which has fraction in them, like minus 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. If I'm asked to find one rational number between this minus 2 by 3 and 1 by 4, then it's okay to apply the method which I have been doing. I did in the last question. So I'll do 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Whatever I'm getting out here will be then divided by 2. And if I do so, I'll be getting 12. So 2 4 8 plus 3, this whole by 2. So it is minus 5 by 12 into 1 by 2, so it's minus 5 by 24. But this is not easy when you are asked to find, not that comfortable to apply when you am asked to find, suppose 5 to 7 rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. So herein, when we are given such questions, suppose like, let us in that case we make the denominator common. Suppose a question, let's take up minus 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. That means what? If I have to find 10 rational numbers inside, that's between us, because the denominator are same, I can keep on writing like minus 2 by 11, 1 by 11, sorry, minus 1 by 11, you have 0, then 1 by 11, 2 by 11, continues like this till I reach 8 by 11. Oh, I made a mistake, 6 by 11 and 7 by 11. So I got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 already. That this question already had denominator common. Like the other one, if I say it is minus 3 by 13 and 9 by 13. Now in this case, suppose you are asked to find 20 numbers in between, 20 rational numbers between these two given numbers. Even the denominator is equal, and I write the way I did this question, I won't be getting 20 of them in between, because it will be minus 2 by 13. I'm sorry. It's minus 1 by 13, 0, it's 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 4 by 13, 5 by 13, 6 by 13, I go on, and I only got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11. I need 20, so I need 9 more on that. So in that case, what we do is we give these two numbers another denominator, another common denominator. I write it here with some other color to highlight it. Now I can make this a denominator with 26, because I need only 9 more, so that's giving me some minus 6 by 26. And on the other hand, I'm getting 9 by 13 can be expressed as a common denominator 26, 18. So in between I have now got this many, so I can write, continue with minus 6 by 26, minus 5 by 26, minus 4 by 26, and it goes on till I get the 20th number, because the maximum of it is got 18. So the more rational numbers are supposed to be calculated in between any two given rational number, the bigger the denominator become, then it becomes easier for us to calculate or find out the number of rational numbers in between the given two rational numbers. Supposedly, do we take up more such question? Any such question that would help us? Maybe I take up question which says insert some 5 rational numbers in between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now look at it. The denominator is given to be equal as 5 in both the cases, but in between they don't have any number which can be represented in the number line. So I would prefer changing the denominator to another common denominator, maybe a little bigger one, maybe 20. So 3 by 5 would become 12, and the other one 4 by 5 in that case would become, no, this is not giving me quite a number of them as I wanted. Maybe let us now change it to a denominator 25. That would give us numbers which will at least take up 5 rational numbers in between, as the question asks us. 5. So this becomes 15. So this also becomes 20. So now I can do, it's 16 by 25, 17 by 25, 18 by 20. Oh, sorry. So if you can see the kind of mistake I'm making, why I'm doing this, I want you to know the more bigger your denominator, the more number it becomes possible for you to insert in between two given numbers. I have been taking smaller denominators like 5 into 5, that's giving me 25. When I multiply 5 in the numerator, I was getting 15. So between 15 and 20, I can only get 16, 17, 18, 19. So for us to get bigger numbers, let us take maybe 50. Let us move on directly to 50. To do so, I'm getting a denominator 50 with a numerator 30. On the other hand, I'm getting it as 50, so I'll be getting this as 40. Now it's quite easy for us to note down the numbers, rational numbers between this. So it can be 31 by 50, 32 by 50, 33 by 50, though we were supposed to find out 5 rational numbers between the two given numbers, but we can still go on till 9 numbers now. And you can go on. So these were 5 we were supposed to calculate. I hope you followed this. Thank you.